All right, y'all, here we go. As you can see, for today, we only had $37, but I went into the reporting already before I even started this video and noticed that it came from one of my email follow-ups. This is my first time doing Instagram influencers with building up an email list, and I scheduled this promotion. Hold up, our game started on Call of Duty. All right, muted my TV right quick. But yeah, I scheduled a promotion like 2 or 3 days ago on the 16th. As you can see right here, that's where the big day came from. At 153.88, I scheduled a bunch of promotions. I think it totaled somewhere around 120, 133, something like that. But as you can see, over the last within the 3-day time span with the email follow-ups, and it's crazy because the email follow-up series isn't even done yet. It still has to send out like 3 more follow-ups before it's completely done, and the list is, well, the list ain't gonna be done from there because I'm about to add probably another 5 emails to promote another offer. But the offer I'm promoting right now, which is Done For You campaign number 3, inside my members area of the Instagram influencer marketing course. I was about to go and click on the reporting on this video, but I forgot that's for the paid members. But yeah, the course is dropping literally 2 weeks from now. Matter of fact, a week and 6 days to be exact, because I believe January 1st is on a Friday, and right now it is December 19th, 2020, man. So definitely get on the waiting list, man, so you can save 50% off. And during launch week, if you go and grab that course, I'm including all my other courses as a bonus. So you get the Sapphire course, you get the Elite course, the Beginners course, the YouTube course, and the Instagram course with a bunch of Done For You campaigns and all that good stuff. You already know how my courses is, how it's set up. So yeah, man, if y'all want more training on Instagram influencers and stuff like that, definitely go ahead and join the waiting list by clicking the first link in the description of this video. And I will see y'all in the next one.